Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you learn to create this self-locking cut hanger. And here we use the Extrude, chamfer, fillet, revolve, and mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. Let me show you how it's work. Inside, there's a small ball. It can be a glass marble or a 3D printed one. I use this glass ball here. When you insert the tower into the slot, it slides easily, but once you release it, gravity takes over. The balls roll down, pressing the tower against the inner wall and locking it in place. Lift the tower to remove this, and that's it. So open the Fusion, go to Hybrid Design, and the unit system, millimeters, and create new. And here, go to Save, rename this file here, self-looking. And now go to Assembly, select the new component. The name here we will call Base, and press OK. And the first thing that we make to create this part, we'll make the base here. So we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create this arc here with 90 millimeters of radius and create this line here. The distance between this point here and this point here, 69 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint. The radius here, 19 millimeters. Make this arc here, go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And here you can make a half of this arc, and we use the mirror later, okay? Select this point and this point here. And now select a line, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 69 millimeters. And now we will create a line here with 12 millimeters of diameter of length and create this line here and this arc, okay? So select a line, click at this point, 12 millimeters, create a line here and create an arc here. And here go to constraint, select coeccentric, select this arc and this one, and go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Select a line and close the profile here. We made this profile. So finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 30 millimeters. So go to extrude. The direction here, select the symmetric. And the measurement, whole length, and the distance 30 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this fillet and this edge here. We have a fillet with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters and press OK. And here we have a chamfer with 2 millimeters of distance. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The distance here is 2 millimeters, equal distance, and press OK. We made this profile. And now we will make this cut here. We have the dimensions here, okay? So we will select the front plane, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and go to create, select the project include, project, selection filter, select the body, select this body here, and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. We have this, okay? And here we will create this arc with 7 millimeters. And the distance between the center of this arc and this edge here is 12 millimeters, okay? So go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in this line. The radius here, 7 millimeters. Make an arc here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this arc and this edge is 12 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, okay? And now we will create this arc here. This arc has 11 millimeters of radius. So go to arc again, center point arc, click here in this line, 11 millimeters, make an arc here. And the distance between the center of this arc and this one is 24 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, the distance here 24, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And now select a line, make a line between these 2 points, and go to constraints, select tangent, select this line and this arc, this line and this arc. We made this, and we made this profile. So finish the sketch, show this body here, and go to Revolve. The profile is this one, and the axis, selected this line here. The operation here is cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. And now we have a fillet here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, 2 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. Now to create the other side, go to create and select mirror. The object type body, the object, select this body, and the mirror plane, select this face here. Operation join and press OK. We made this. Let me flip the direction here. We made this one, okay. And now achieve the self-looking here. And we will create the sphere with 22 millimeters of diameter. So go to assembly, select the new component. We call here sphere, press OK. And here go to create, select the sphere, select this plane here, click here, make a sphere here with 22 millimeters of diameter and press OK. You can move this a little bit. Let me go to move here, select this body and make this in the center here. And that's it, press OK. We made this, active the self-looking coat hanger here. We made this body. And now save this. And go to File, select 3D Print. And here the object, select the self-looking here. The extruder, select one file and press OK. And select the folder where you will save this and save this one. And now open the Bamboo Studio or open the app of your 3D print and go to create a new project. And here click in add a file, select the file that we will add. Okay, I will rotate this. It is the best position to print this. Okay, and here I will make a support to this ball here, and let's slice the plate. and go to print